Hi guys, we are here now in the airport. This is the Qatar Airways, guys. Look, Qatar Airport. Hamad. Wait, oh, they left me, guys. They left me, guys.
Traveling together with you, right?
Yeah, it's okay to take video.
It's okay.
Thank you. Because I will upload in my YouTube. Thank you. Hamad. Ay. Hamad Airport. Hamad Airport to. Look guys. It's very far. I mean, very hard. Guys, look. Water. What's a sea? See guys. We are here in business class. This one. Here is my companion. Say hi. Ayan. Hello. We'll bring you in Cairo. Once you do, you will explore Cairo. See you there. Yeah, see you there. I forgot in the entrance, guys. I forgot again to open my camera. I'm so sorry. So, this is the way to go. Kaya nga. Oh, you can wait. Ha? Mamaya mag-live ako doon pagpasok sa ano sa teddy bear. Oh, dito pala sa ano ko yung ilalive ko. Dito sa kabila. Dito sa kabila. See. Itong bag natin. Diliit na. Kasi ang sampu dito siya. Teka, niya na. Yaman naman siya.
At saka hindi talaga. Tingnan mo yung libo. Oh.
Ha?
No.
What? I didn't. What? I didn't play.
Cross.
Wait guys, wait. Bye guys. To be continued guys.